saan?
Taga-Sendo po.
Nagtigdila sa Pasakaw.
Pirang years ka na pala na-drive yung mga tricycle po. Yung mga tricycle po.
Mga 5 years hindi kasi tricycle.
Okay po. Ako po ba ng Celte, may De La Cruz? Pabor po ba kayo sa pag-implementa ng e-trade dito sa ating bansa?
Yes naman, napabor. Kasi may advantage naman yan eh. Gawa ng una-una is yung safety yan sa kwan. Hindi yan hazardous sa air. Una-una yung hangin na kung saan is nag-create yan ng malilis yung kwan ng ozone layer natin. Diba yun ang advantage na kung saan yung ozone layer is pinoprotektahan nyo yung crater ng mundo natin para hindi masyado mag-penetrate yung init at makontrol na yung climate change.
Okay po.
Tama?
Opo. So, nakikita niyo po ba ang inyong sarili na nagmamaneho ng modernong sasakyan o e-trek sa ating bansa?
Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa man na totally na-implement dito sa Pasakaw ang e-trike. Since 5 years from now is baka implement na yan in preparation for naman sa tinatawag na maging moderno ang syudad ang bayan ng Pasakaw. So hopefully, sana ma-implement din yan para at least kami mga tricycle driver is makatulong din para sa malesen yung tinatawag na climate change.
Number 3 po, ano po ang may papayo mo sa pamahalaan tungkol sa pagpapatupad ng modernong bansa?
Ang papayo ko lang, once na na-implement ang e-trike or other, pati may mga jeep, kasi may mga jeep rin tayo, tapos mga ibang mga vehicles na kung saan is yung e-trike, ano to, ang tawag sa yung e-trike or ano pa man yan, sana ma-implement lahat yan. Then, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi buong mundo para at least makatabang kita, makatulong tayo na kung saan is may save pa natin ang Mother Earth.
Thank you po.
Tama?
Apo. Thank you po.
From Tinal magpasawa kami sa work. In average, how long do you spend browsing on social media every day?
6 hours.
What is social media for you?
Source of information, communication, especially when it comes to my parents, magkalayo kami, so 2 hours social media, we can connect to each other. Updates. Okay.
Do you think you can normally live 1 month without touching your phone? Why yes or why not?
Yes. Because in Tinal mode, they don't have a data. So I spend my time to my family and do household chores, at the same time do my responsibility in church, so that I can live one month without cell phone or anything internet outside world like that.
Have you experienced being cyberbullied or believe in fake news because of the social media?
No, because I always check it if this is facts or this is the news is facts or fake.
what do you think the long-term effect to us relying much on this type of technology?
Sa mentally, syempre kapag nakatutok na lang nakatutok ka na lang sa social media, day na magiging maayos, maging sa mag-iisip mo, ma-effect yan dyan. Then pati sa humor and attitude mo, kapag nag-rely ka na lang sa social media, then duman na lang na-concentrate ang isip mo. Pati dyan sa behavior or sa attitude mo, pwede mo ma-adapt itong mga nagdadalan mo. Kasi doon ka na lang nakafocus. Like, mayo ka ng activity, wala kang araw kaya. So, para sa ko, napakalaking effect kapag kumbaga, nakafocus ka na lang. Even ang social media nagbibigay sa atin ng information, di naman pwedeng doon na lang tayo nakafocus. Kasi, paano mo magagampanan yung iba mong responsibilities kung doon ka na lang nakafocus? That's all.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. What is your name po?
Good afternoon. My name is Ronald Parito. And I work in the call center for almost a year. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. This is my first question po. A recent study was raised that business owners are now planning to replace labor work to artificial intelligence, computers like robots. Do you think it is possible in the future?
Yes, it is very possible. Because nowadays, mas piniprefer na ng companies yung AI compared sa employee. In terms of work-wise, mas direct or mas focused to work yung AI compared sa tao. So, it's 50-50 chance na mapalitan yung mga employee na human sa AI.
Okay, sir. Thank you. The next question po is, what do you think are the things that man can do but artificial intelligence computer cannot?
Okay. That question that cannot replace by an AI is emotional intelligence. Which is pag frustrated ang customer mo, ang AI is siguro mas mag-focus yung AI sa mga process kung paano i-resolve yung issue compared sa tao na pwede mo siyang maintindihan kung ano talaga yung emotion ng customer mong frustrated. That's it.
Third question, what do you think is the problems with human in terms of labor work, the reason why they need to be?
Question number 3, yung AI is, hindi napapagod yung AI, and yung tao is may limitation. Kung, for example, 12 hours to mag-work, after mo mag-work, syempre pagod ka na, which is yung mga AI or robots, kahit 24 hours pag-work, it will work properly because they are AI. And yung tao, syempre hindi kaya mag-work 24/7. That is the advantage of AI.
This my last question is, what do you think is the effect of this in the future?
Siguro, work-wise, siguro mas mag-i-improve yung mga companies in terms of robots or AI. Kung yung AI yung mag-work, mas mapapadali yung mga process ng pag-resolve ng mga issues. However, I'm not sure kung yung mga customer ng companies is masasatisfied kasi, as I mentioned earlier, walang emotional intelligence yung AI. So, pag frustrated yung customer, I don't know if ma-fulfill kang AI or hindi. So, 50-50 pa rin. But, in your question, siguro mas marami yung AI compared sa humans na mag-work. That's it.
ba na uso na ngayon ang online business sa Pilipinas? Nasubukan mo na bang bumili sa Lazada, Shopee o ibang online platform?